Hi everyone, in this video we're going to look about the funnel chart that is available in the Power BI, and this chart is really helpful to know about the sequential process. As we have in a sales pipeline, we have a different sales process like leads, prospect client, and to finalize the lead. And it is very similar to the funnel. We have to first select the funnel chart that is available in the visualization pane, and on the categorical option we have to put the categorical data, and on the values option we have to put the numerical data. In our case, on the categorical data, on the categorical pane we have to put the sales stage, different sales stage that is available, and on the values option we will put the opportunity count. And this is how this chart looks like, but its vertical axis is not so big, so I am formatting it to make it bigger. And we can also format it using the option that is available on this formatted visual data label values. It is 9, and also we will bigger the categorical label. Now we can see the different sales process that is available: lead, quality, solution, proposal, and finalize. And we have a different count: 268, 94, and also we can see the percentage of it. It's 100% because it's a first stage. So that's how we can create the funnel chart in the Power BI. That's it for today's video. If you really like this video, you can subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.